Hello, my dear friends with Indonesian Scouts, Gerakan Pramuka. My name is Andy Chapman, and I'm happy to be joining you today in my role as chairperson of the World Scout Committee. It's a pleasure for me to be speaking to you all virtually for your event commemorating BPDay in Indonesia. I also want to express my gratitude to Her Royal Highness for hosting this event. It's very special for me to speak to you all, especially since Indonesia has the largest scouting membership in the world. It's so important for us to keep alive the legacy and contributions of BP founding scouting and to honor his impact on the world through the education of young people. Because of his efforts, scouting continues to have a significant impact on communities around the world, creating the leaders of tomorrow. BP would be so proud of the incredible things Scouts are accomplishing in Indonesia. On behalf of the World Scout Committee, I want to officially welcome all the Scouts here who just joined Scouting, and also our returning Scouts, to personally welcome you all as official members of the World Scouting movement. Being a Scout means that you are seen as a top young leader in your respective local community. Your participation in Scouting should not be seen as a final accomplishment, but instead as a new beginning for your personal story of who you will become. Each of you wears on your uniform the purple World Scout emblem with the world crest that shows you are all members of the World Scouting movement. Over 57 million Scouts in over 174 countries around the world wear that same round purple badge that you also wear on your uniform. This shows that you are a member of the World Organization of the Scout Movement and that you are connected through Scouting to those 57 million Scouting brothers and sisters all around the world. There aren't too many people who can say that they're members of a worldwide movement like we all can. It's an exciting moment in history to be part of the World Scout movement. This year we celebrate 117 years since BP held the first ever Scout camp on Brownsea Island. More than a century later, Scouting has shown strength, resilience, and ingenuity, particularly in recent years when we turn to challenges into opportunities to ensure that young people continue to experience the life-changing power of Scouting. We continue showing flexibility, adaptability, and innovation to ensure that young people can still enjoy their most treasured Scouting activities. Scouting's impact is clear, and it remains as relevant today as it was over 117 years ago. But we must also continue to make Scouting a modern, relevant, and attractive educational offering if we want to ensure that Scouting reaches its targets for growth and evolves with the times. I want to leave you with some final words from our founder of Scouting, Lord Baden-Powell. He said, "Be content with what you have got. Make the best of it. Look on the bright side of things instead of the gloomy one. The real way to get happiness is by giving out happiness to other people. Try to leave this world a little better than you found it. And when your turn comes to die, you can die happy and feeling that at any rate, you have not wasted your time, but you have done your best." In closing, I want to give a special thank you to all of the adult leaders who volunteer their time and treasure to make Scouting possible for young people and who are helping to build a new generation of active citizens creating positive change in their communities and in the world. I want to encourage all of you here to do what we committed to do with the Scout Promise. Do your best in everything that you are involved in. Do your best in Scouts, do your best in school, do your best with your family and your communities. And there is no doubt that you will be prepared for life. On behalf of the entire World Scout Committee, we are sending you all our best wishes. I want to wish you all a very happy BPDay in Indonesia. Thank you.